puffy
breeze.
clouds.
It was a breeze.
Anyway,
Let's do the news.
Yes.
now, the Danes have made an announcement. They're going to start making a supercar. This is it. Where possible, are going to be made and sourced by...
Because that's Danish.
I'll tell you what it'll be like. You know Bang & Olufsen? Beautiful Danish design. And then inside, as far as I'm aware, it's all Philips Electronics. So that's what it...
A whole load of copycats, couldn't it? Because a load of dads waiting until the very last minute on the due date and then secretly hiring a Lamborghini Murcielago and driving really slowly to the hospital. You all right, darling? You can hang on.
Yeah, why are you?
I agree with you entirely, but the answer is not cubing people's head. The answer is when the workforce isn't there, do 70.
Because last week we asked you to nominate the car maker that you thought over the years has made the largest number of...
How fast this car goes round our track, and of course, that means handing it over to our tame racing driver. Some say that his new Christmas range of fragrances includes the great smell of Wednesday. And that he was turned down for the job of EU president because his face is just too recognisable. All we know is he's called the Stag.